Every pencil begins with carefully selected wood. At the factory, large cedar logs arrive and are inspected for strength, grain quality, and imperfections. Only the best wood is chosen before the manufacturing process begins. Once the best cedar wood is selected, powerful precision machines cut it into thin, uniform slats. Each piece is carefully shaped to the exact thickness needed to become the hour body of a pencil. Next, the wooden slats enter a controlled drying chamber. Carefully regulated temperature and humidity remove excess moisture, helping the wood become stable and strong enough for precision pencil manufacturing. After drying, the wooden slats are ready for the pencil core. At the same time, graphite and carefully measured clay are combined to create the smooth writing core. This precise mixture will soon become the heart of every pencil. The newly formed graphite cores now pass through a controlled high-temperature kiln. This carefully monitored heating process hardens the cores and gives them the strength needed for smooth, consistent writing. Once cooled, they're ready for assembly. The dried cedar slats now enter a precision grooving machine. High-speed cutting wheels create a perfectly centered channel in each piece. Automated sensors check every groove for exact depth and alignment, preparing the wood for the graphite core. The grooved cedar slats now receive their graphite cores. Automated machinery precisely positions each core inside the center channel, while sensors verify perfect alignment before the next wooden layer is added. The graphite-filled slats are now sealed with a second layer of cedar wood. Precision adhesive rollers and powerful pressing machines bond both layers together, creating the solid wooden body that will soon be shaped into individual pencils. The shaped pencils now pass through precision sanding machines. Rotating abrasive belts smooth every surface and remove tiny imperfections, creating a perfectly even wooden finish ready for painting. The smooth wooden pencils now enter the automated coating line. Precision nozzles apply multiple thin layers of protective paint, creating an even, glossy finish across every side before the pencils move to printing. The finished pencils now enter the automated printing station. Precision rollers apply the branding and decorative markings with perfect alignment, while optical sensors inspect every printed pencil for quality and consistency. The finished pencils now enter a precision sharpening station. Automated cutters carefully shape the wooden tip and reveal the graphite core, while optical sensors ensure every pencil has a perfectly centered and uniform writing point. The sharpened pencils now receive their final components. Precision machines attach the metal ferrules and securely press soft rubber erasers into place, completing the basic pencil assembly. Before packaging, every finished pencil passes through a strict automated quality inspection. Cameras and sensors check the paint, printing, tip, ferrule, and eraser to ensure only flawless pencils continue to the final stage. Finally, the finished pencils are automatically counted, arranged, and packed into retail boxes. Robotic systems seal and organize the packages, completing the journey from raw cedar wood to finished pencils ready for shipment.